Good morning, my dear children. How have you been? Yes, good. Today's value. Can you learn something new if you listen carefully? Can you learn something new if you listen carefully? See, children, in the previous class, we have learned that the story about a little black ant who found a large grain of wheat. He can't able to carry the wheat into his hole, so he asked his neighbor. He requested his neighbor to carry the large grain of wheat into his hole. He requested his neighbor, but the neighbor ant who refused his request, and he said that if you really want the food grain, if you really want the wheat grain, you have to carry by yourself. Then he went away the place angrily and went to sleep easily. Then after a few seconds, he met a black brother. When he passing the road, he saw his brother who was in a want of help. He went up and helped his brother to carry the load, since he was a good natural ant. Today we will see the fourth stanza. The name of the poem is The Ants. The name of the poem is The Ants. This poem was written by the famous writer Jan Taylor. This poem was written by the famous writer Jan Taylor. So now we will see some interesting facts about ants. The average lifespan of ants could go up to 3 months. The average lifespan of ants could go up to 3 months. The ant can live for 3 months. Second one, ants have 6 legs. Ants have 6 legs. Some ants have wings, while others do not. Some ants have wings, while others do not. See, children, finally, ants are social insects. Ants are social insects, and they like to live in a colonies. They like to live in a colonies. They like to live in a group. And an ant colony has 3 different types of ants. An ant colony has 3 different types of ants. First one, queen ant. Second one, the male ant. And finally, the workers ant. There are 3 different types of ants colony. First one, queen ant. Second one, the male ant. And the third one, the workers ant. Is the clear, children? Shall we recap it once again? The average lifespan of ants could go up to 3 months. The ants can live up to 3 months. Second one, ants have 6 legs. Ants have 6 legs. Some ants have wings. Some ants have wings, while others do not. Finally, ants are social insects. Why? They like to live in colonies. They like to live in a group. They like to live in a colonies. And an ant colony has 3 different types of ants. Ant colony has 3 different types of ants. First one, the queen ant. Second one, the male ant. And third one, the workers ant. Is that clear, children? Shall we enter into the poem? Now we get into the poem. The name of the poem is The Ants by Jan Taylor. So to fourth stanza, let all who this story may happen to hear endeavor to profit by it. For often it happens that children appear as across as the ant every by. First line, let all who this story may happen to hear. The poet feels, let who all are hear this poem. Endeavor means make an effort. ants across the ant every bite. In this poem, the poet compares the children to ants. In this poem, the poet compares the children to ants. Most often, children become angry like the neighbor ant who refused to help the black ant. Is this clear, children? In the fourth stanza, the poet tells that make an effort to gain this story. And the good-natured ant who assisted his brother may teach those who choose to be taught that if little insects are kind to each other, then children most certainly ouch. See, children, first line, and the good-natured ant who assisted. Here assisted means helped. Assisted means helped his brother. The good-natured ant who helped his brother to carry the load into his hole may teach those who choose to be taught. Here, the good-natured ant who taught us by good example. Who taught us by the good example of helped his brother. That if little insects are kind to each other. That the little insects, who are the little insects? The black brother and the little black ant are kind to each other. Then children most certainly are. So here the poet add value to the poem by saying children should help their friend when they are in want of help. Here the poet concluded by stating that children should help their friend, should kind to be their friend. Is that clear, children? Are you clear with these 5 stanzas? Yes.
Children, now we are going to see an activity for a poem, The Ants. Before getting into the activity, I am going to read the poem first. Listen carefully, children. A little black ant found a large grain of wheat, too heavy to lift or to roll. So he begged of a neighbor he happened to meet to help it down into his hole. I have got my own work to look after, said he. You must shift for yourself if you please. So he crawled off as selfish and cross as could be, and lay down to sleep at his ease. Just then a black brother was passing the road, and seeing his brother in want, came up and assisted him in with his load, for he was a good-natured ant. Let all who this story may happen to hear endeavor to profit but it. For often it happens that children appear as cross as the ant every bit, and the good-natured ant who assisted his brother may teach those who choose to be taught that if a little insect are kind to each other, then children most certainly ought. Children, already we saw the first 3 stanza, right? Now we are going to recall once again, and then we are going for the last 2 stanzas. See the first stanza. A little black ant found a large grain of wheat, too heavy to lift or to roll. What they are saying here? A little black ant. A little black ant. Yes. It found a large grain of wheat. It was too heavy. Yes. So he begged his neighbor to help it down into his hole, which means he is asking the help that, can you help me to lift this grain into my hole? Who is asking the help? Yes, the little ant is asking help from the neighbor ant. Then what the neighbor is saying? Let us see. I have got my own work to look after, said he. You must shift for yourself, if you please. What the neighbor ant is saying? I don't help you because I am having my own work, and also he is saying this is your work, so you have to do it yourself. Who is saying like this? Yes, neighbor ant is saying like this. So he crawled off as selfish and cross as could be, and lay down to sleep at his ease. So this black ant is thinking that this neighbor ant is not helping for us, so it is a selfish ant. And then look at the third stanza. Just then a black brother was passing the road, and seeing his brother in want. Children, the neighbor ant didn't help the black ant. Also, he said, this is your work, you have to do it. He said like that, and then he gone. Just then, a black brother was passing the road. Yes, and seeing his brother in want. What happened, children? Next, the black brother was passing the road, and he know that his brother was in the want help. So he came forward and helped his brother. Then the little ant thought it was a good-natured ant. So up to this you will be saw in the last class, children. Now we are going to see the last two stanzas. Listen. Let all who this story may happen to hear endeavor to profit by it, which means whoever reading this poem have to make use of it, which means whenever you are struggling for something, you have to make an effort and get benefit. This is what said in the fourth stanza. And then see the last. And the good-natured ant who assisted his brother may teach those who choose to be taught that if little insects are kind to each other, then children must certainly ought. What are saying? The good-natured ant who helped his brother. Likewise, when we face any struggle, we have to approach or have to find right person to help us. Okay, children, through this poem, we know that even little insects are kind to each other. Like that, you people should take this incident as an inspiration, follow it in reality. Okay, you have to help your friends or those who need help from you. You have to help them without fear. Understood, children? Children, now we are going to write the classwork note for the poem The Ant. Or in previous class, we have written D words, synonyms and antonyms. Now we are going to write rhyming words. Put Roman letter 4. Rhyming. R H Y M I N G. Rhyming words. W O R D S. First one is wheat. W H E A T. Wheat. Meat. M E E T. Meat. Second one is roll. R O L L. Roll. Roll. Hole. H O L E. roll, hole. Third one is road. R-O-A-D. Road, load. L-O-A-D. Load. Fourth one is please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please, is. E-A-S-E. Please, is. Fifth one is brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Other. O-T-H-E-R. Other. Children, I am going to read once again. Listen carefully. Wheat, meat. Roll, hole. Road, load. Please, is. Brother, other. Now we are going to write question, answer. Put Roman letter 5. First one, what? W-H-A-T. What did? D-I-D. What did the? T-H-E. The little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black ant. A-N-T. Ant. Fine. F-I-N-D. Fine. What did the little black ant find? The answer is the T-H-E. The little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little black. B-L-A-C-K. Black ant. A-N-T. Ant. Found. F-O-U-N-D. Found a large. L-A-R-G-E. Large grain. G-R-A-I-N. Grain of. O-F of. Wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. The little black ant found a large grain of wheat. Children, I am not having enough space to write, so I am going to turn the page. Second one, who? W-H-O. Who thought? T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Who thought that the T-H-A-T. That the T-H-E. The wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat was. was. W-A-S. Was heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Question mark. Who thought that the weight was heavy? Answer is the. T-H-E. The little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black ant. A-N-T. Ant. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. That. T-H-A-T. That. The. T-H-E. The. Wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat was. W-A-S. Was. Heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. The little black ant thought that the wheat was heavy. Third one. Who. W-H-O. Who assisted. A-S-S-I-S-T-E-D. Assisted. The. T-H-E. The little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black ant. A-N-T. Ant. Question mark. Answer is good. G. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. Nature. N-A-T-U-R-E-D. Nature. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Assisted. A-S-S-I-S-T-E-D. Assisted. The. T-H-E. The. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black ant. A-N-T. Ant. Who assisted the little black ant? A good natured ant assisted the black ant. Children, in today's class we have written rhyming words and question and answer. So you have to write this in your classwork note neatly. Okay children, this is your home assignment. Okay children, what's your home assignment? Yes, your home assignment is write the rhyming words, question and answer in your English classwork note. So already you wrote the words, synonyms and antonyms. So now you are going to write rhyming words and question and answer in your classwork note. Okay, write neatly children, and then activities also there for you. See, what's your activity? Fill in the blanks with correct answer using the clues given. Okay, I have